If you love beautiful cliffside views and stunning Italian sunsets, you want to eat fresh produce and delicious fresh food, and you want to get a taste of history with stunning volcanic backdrop views while sipping some delicious Italian coffee, then let me tell you, Taormina, Italy is the place for you. Here's 10 things that you can do in Taormina. Number 1 is to have a granite at Bambar. Bambar is a really cute cafe that serves a slush-like drink called a granite that you have with the brioche bun. It's really refreshing, really delicious. Make sure you go there and check it out. And they have really nice flavors as well. And there's just me enjoying my granite. Number 2 is to go to Villa Comunale, and this is a community park, and it's just a short walk over from Bambar, so it's not too far at all, so you can come here after you have your breakfast at Bambar. The park is beautiful, really cute. They even have a nice little playground, so if you're traveling with children, then this is a must-do. It's really cute, and it has a gorgeous backdrop of the sea. Here's some more views. It's a really nice park to go for a little stroll. And again, here's the sea as the backdrop. I'll just leave this up here for you to marvel. And also brownie points if you come here in the evening for golden hour or sunset. This is just, it's insane. There's Mount Etna in the back with its fumes. Mount Etna is an active volcano, but don't worry, it's safe. Number 3 is to go to Corso Umberto. Corso Umberto is the main street in Taormina, and it houses a majority of the restaurants, cafes, bars, boutique shops, souvenir shops, pretty much everything. And this street is poppin', especially in the evening. You'll probably end up spending a lot of your evenings here just having dinner or grabbing a gelato after dinner, or even having a coffee for breakfast. It's such a nice vibe. Number 4 is to go to Nove Pistachio, which is a all pistachio bakery. So if you love pistachio, this is the place for you. Look at this cannoli. It was so good, so insane. Number 5 is to go to the Greek amphitheater, and I don't even feel like I need to say too much about this because just again, look at these stunning views. There's Mount Etna in the back. So rustic, such a cool vibe. You do have to climb up some stairs to get here. It's not stroller friendly at all, but it's really not that bad, and I promise you the views are worth it. So just do it. It's really not bad at all. And once you get up there, you can just kind of walk around, sit on some of the steps or the seats, and just kind of soak everything in. Number 6, and this was the highlight of the trip, was to take a Sicilian cooking class. I signed up for this class through Viator with Chef Mimmo, and let me tell you, it was probably one of the most fun things I've ever done on a trip. I love cooking as it is, but you know, who wants to cook on vacation? But this was just different. This is his beautiful restaurant with an open courtyard, lemon trees. It just, oh my gosh, really had that sunny Sicilian breezy day vibe. It was so much fun, and Chef Mimmo is great. We made fresh pasta from scratch, caponata, and swordfish. Everything was extremely delicious. His restaurant is great. As you can see, it's just light and airy. Everything is fresh. I can't say enough good things about it. I'll leave a link down below to if you want to sign up for this specific class. Oh, these vegetables. Number 7 is the Grand Hotel Timeo Belmont rooftop. So go to the rooftop of this hotel and you will get some of the best views in town. It's stunning. As you can see, everyone's up here kind of just hanging out, taking photos. Staying at this hotel is very expensive, but you can come here and have a coffee or have a meal, have some tea and pastries, take your pictures, and you know, same thing. But highly, highly recommend. It's amazing. And they have beautiful manicured gardens down below where you can also arrange a picnic if you want in advance. Number 8, you can take the funicular to Isola Bella. Isola Bella is a little island, so if you want like a beach day, then you can definitely do this for a half day or a full day, and they have restaurants and cafes around the area as well. So that's another thing that you can do while you're here. Number 9 is to watch the sunrise. I don't know what it was about this area in particular, but I was jet lagged, and watching the sunrise really was just peaceful and gorgeous every morning, and such a great way to start the day off. I mean, look at this, it's serene. Number 10, did you really think I was gonna have this video without mentioning food? Number 10 is to eat some of the Sicilian staple foods. This includes swordfish, which I have filmed over here. So fresh, so delicious. I had something called a semifreddo for the first time, which was somewhat of a hardened gelato, but it was really, really good. Highly recommend. I'm craving it still. Cannoli. Sicily is where cannolis were first created. Here's some more swordfish and ravioli. Absolutely delicious. Here's an arancini. It's basically a fried rice ball. You can get it with meat or you can get a vegetarian version. Highly recommend. Sicilian lemonade. Oh my gosh, so refreshing. Some gelato. Who can go to Italy without having gelato? Come on. And go to the various pastry shops along Corso Umberto. At night, this is what people are doing. Popping in and just getting some fresh pastries. Almond pastries, pistachio pastries. They're just so delicious. I absolutely fell in love with this small gem of a town that a lot of people don't know about. So make sure you go ahead and hit that subscribe button if you want to see similar videos, and let me know if you end up going to Taormina. I'll catch you soon.